Hi guys, how we doing? Glasgow Harley Rider here. It's a Saturday the 13th of September, so today is the day of the Harley Davidson Open House event over at West Coast Hillington, West Coast Harley Davidson. So heading over there, going to get picked up shortly. Not taking the bikes today, just due to the weather. The weather's to be really wet for the majority of the afternoon, if not the rest of the day. It's been wet for days, really flooded in Glasgow, so I really don't fancy it today, to be quite frank. But I am still going to put in an appearance and bring you the footage of the day. So we're heading over to West Coast. There'll be people over there. There's a barbecue and an open house, kind of auto jumbo kind of event. So it'll be great. Stick with that, and we'll head over and watch this footage and hopefully enjoy what we have to offer here today, guys. And I'll be out and about getting bits and bobs for you. All right. Thanks, guys. Take care. Excellent, mate. Alright guys, really great day I had at the West Coast Open House. That was good, so caught up with some of the pals, and as you've seen, some nice bikes that were on display down there. had a chill out and a catch up, so it was really good. Yeah, there's some parts in the Auto Jumbo and some nice bikes to look at, so great way to spend a Saturday, and that'll probably be the last kind of open house type day that there'll be in the dealership this year, and then it'll be back to the bike nights, so try and get along to that towards the end of the season. But yeah, good day had, and caught up with some pals and even made some new Road King friends as well, so even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.